This ground was not the start of time. The river knew a deeper rhyme. Before the bricks, before the trains, the silence carried native names. A circle carved, a compass placed by hands they never tried to trace. Still I walk and feel that sound beneath the glass, beneath the ground. And I arrive like I've been here, like the streets already knew I came with nothing but my breath. But the stones they answer to, it's not the lights that hold me here, it's what the quiet lets me hear. In Indianapolis, you never said a word, but still I understood. Smoke curled out from every rail when steel and sweat would tip the scale. Union calls and lantern light made strangers family overnight. They built the city song by song, each engine pulse still pushes on. And in the hush of hammerings, you hear the weight the building brings. And I arrive like I belong, like the silence wrote my song. Not for glory, not for pride, but for something deep inside. It's not the sky that shows the truth, it's what the echo gives to you. Indianapolis, you called me in the dark, now I glow because of you. Once burned through winter snow, a mind on fire the world should know. She spoke in verse the streets forgot, but still her rhythm lights the block. A laugh in shadow sharp and wide, a voice that cracked the marble tide. No gold, no fame, just iron grace that shaped the silence of this place. Now the skyline hums a different hymn, a place that breaks then builds again. And in each crack a memory sleeps until your footsteps help it speak.